Gourmet Top is a utility and knife holder you could put all your utilities on. They could be temporarily mounted, permanent screw to slip on and off. It's made of wood with magnets to the leading 1 inch of edge and can be used anywhere imaginable in the kitchen. For countertops, you'll need a special drill bit, diamond cut bit, to put on the walls or use the self-adhesive mounting system. You can peel off the self-adhesive and clean up and replace with the new self-adhesive as an option. It is a great gift for the kitchen, for gourmet, cooking, for culinary, and more. You have a knife set that's old and outdated, and you want to put the blades on. Gourmet Top. It is a knife utility holder. They come in 2 sizes. The one we're reviewing is 16.5 inches and the other is 12 inches. They come with hardware so you can screw into your tile system. It's made of wood. It has magnets built in. And it has an option that is included. A self-adhesive double-sided sticker in full. You'll get an instruction guide on how to set up and install. This is a double-sided self-adhesive sticker. The logo Gourmet Top. Visit the Gourmet Top store. You can see the wood grain of the unit. And let's just take something magnetic, stick it on there. And you can see how it's on there. Give a nice shake. And it stays nice and solid. The Gourmet Top magnetic mount with the 2 keyholes we're going to install temporarily on the wall with the self-adhesives. If you're permanently mounting with painter's tape, open, place on, cut off, locate the keyhole, punch a hole on each side, pull the tape off, find on the wall where you want to locate and level. Take the marker and mark the holes, drill the holes, place the screws, line up, place on, and slide down. And when cleaning, lift up and off and clean and rinse with water. The water will slide off. It's IP rated and it has a special coating on. A diamond cut bit for tiles are needed for drilling and a regular drill bit through the tile in order to hang up permanently. We are going to be doing the self-adhesive. Grab the self-adhesive. It's a double-sided self-adhesive and peel away the red self-adhesive. The best way to apply is to align over and seat down. As you can see how it looks on the unit, apply pressure on the counter for 30 seconds. Check online for further details about replacement self-adhesives. When applying to the wall, make sure the countertop is on the bottom left side. Simply peel off the sticker. And before applying, grab the largest utility knife that you're going to be placing and stick to the wall where the height of the bar you want, or blue tape line, so your blade can be placed. We're going to place ours right here, right above the line. And we're going to take a level and level on the piece of wood. As we take our magnetic wood and our level and we want to be above our tape line, we hold level and press. 30 seconds of holding will secure, and we're level. We take off and remove our tape line. Now we could take our blades facing them up and have a place for our utility knives. We want to take our meat thermometer, put it to the end. It will not stick towards the end, but will stick towards the middle. The gourmet top blade, as we showed towards the very end over here, it will not stick, and that is the furthest point they will stick. We're able to put a lot of knives and utility knives on. We have special silverware like spoons, your gourmet top, your utility and knife holder. It is a great gift for the kitchen, for gourmet, cooking, for culinary, and more. You have a knife set that's old and outdated, and you want to put the blades on, you may do so. I hope you enjoy your product from Gourmet Top. Thank you for viewing, and enjoy your product.